B. Pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. With the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seat. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist, push in the pocket, and pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, mount to the oral tube. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water, and use a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low.
No, later. No, baby, later. No, later. They're gonna ask us to get off. No. Later, baby, later. Get there. Yeah, later. After the takeoff. We're flying, baby. We're riding what? We're riding what? Airplane. We're riding what? Airplane.